Hey guys, here I am again, Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair, and this time we're demonstrating an AM radio out of a 67 Camaro. It is now an AM FM radio with a heck of a lot more output power, 4 speaker capability, Bluetooth, USB, and aux input. Just wanted to make sure I installed the aux input, sometimes I forget. And this comes from my friends at Delo Fire Extinguisher or Fire Sprinkler in Jupiter, Florida. And this is at least the second job they've sent me, so thank you so much for that. Nothing says I like your work more than I'm going to send you another radio and pay shipping all across the country to have you do it. God only knows how many shops were between Arizona and Florida, but I'm the guy they sent it to, so I'm very grateful for that. So I've got it set to AM at the moment, to the one strong station I receive in my area, so we can demonstrate the balance and fader functions, not during somebody's song, so I don't get nailed for copyright issues. So let's go ahead and turn it on to AM.
Wall Street doesn't want you to know. It's called a self-directed IRA.
Okay, so we're gonna demonstrate the virtual front-rear fader. This tone control is now not only a tone control, it's also the left-right balance control and the front-rear fader control. So to adjust our front-rear fader or left-right balance, we start with the tone control in the center position. And this radio has a detent in the center position, so that makes it kind of convenient. To activate the front-rear fader, we give the control 2 quick turns to the right. To activate the left-right balance, we give it 2 quick turns to the left. So now that I've explained it, I'll go ahead and do it. Okay, front-rear fader first.
Use less data on our wireless phone, but you're probably still paying for an unlimited plan that was designed for 20-something.
Fader adjust.
Okay.
Get a phone on us.
All the way front,
from the other way.
rear,
No one is giving you a free phone.
front,
You're paying for that phone
rear.
over time with an overpriced rate plan and a long-term commitment.
Fader set.
Okay,
Print on that
left-right
$15
balance.
plan. It's probably an intro price that'll double or triple later.
Balance adjust.
Several months of service
All
up
the way
front.
left,
Number 4,
right,
be aware of cable company wireless
left,
plans. Most of your
right.
usage will be on Wi-Fi instead of
reserve.
5G, and your calls and battery life could
Balance set.
Okay, let's make sure the Bluetooth goes into pairing mode. We don't need this stuff anymore. Okay, Bluetooth pairing.
Bluetooth ready to pair.
Okay, so you heard that. Let's make sure it plays music stored on a USB stick. I got my radio commercial right here.
Cranberry product never worked for me, and I was
Having fun, driving my classic ride. Got a Mustang, but it's a 69. But she ain't sounding so fine. Driving this car, I can't hear the kids.
ready to join them. Get 30.
Alright, so we see that works. Okay, now we're going to move over to FM, which we do on this radio by turning it off, then right back on within about half a second. And I have all 5 station presets set to FM stations in my area for a quick test and to confirm that the presets are working. So here we go. Okay, we're on AM. Okay, off, on. Okay, now we're on FM.
That they lived in peace and artist that sings this song 9296 Ascension.
And that takes care of that. Let's make sure the dial light comes on and up, and you can see it peeking through those holes in the back. So everything is working, and she's ready to go back to the customer. All functions have been fully tested. I'm Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair. To reach me for service, please visit the website in the description below. And from the home page of that website, please download and print out a work order before calling me with a bunch of questions about what all do you offer and how much does it cost, because that's all in the work order. It's going to save us both about 15 minutes on the phone, and in my case, it keeps me on the bench where the work gets done and off the phone where no work can get done. So please do that research before calling me. Once you've got a work order in your hand, I'm happy to talk to you, even if it's just for a couple of minutes because you want to get to know me and trust me. That's perfectly okay. There's a lot of scammers out there. So thanks so much for watching and listening, and thank you again to my friends at Delo Fire Sprinkler for your at least second job all the way from Jupiter, Florida, and we'll see you guys next time.